Cayenne. New Cayenne Arrival upgrade Turbo GT body kit. It's a Cayenne SUV upgrade Turbo GT design exterior kit from Kingdom Factory. And quality and fitting is very good, same as original, 100% fitment. And we can keep the new daylights, keep the ACC, and add the passenger display now.